The Kansas Supreme Court struck down 2 laws regulating access or procedures involving abortion in the state. I'm KSHB 41 News reporter Todd Palmer. We spoke with a provider and an attorney involved in the case to explain what today's developments mean.
The court reaffirmed what we already knew to be true. This is a fundamental right. People can make decisions about their bodies, their futures, their health care without government interference.
The Kansas legislature voted in 2011 to increase regulations on medical facilities that provide abortions, and 4 years later made the most common second trimester abortion procedure illegal. The Center for Reproductive Rights challenged both laws, which were permanently struck down in the July 5th ruling.
5 years ago, the Kansas Supreme Court held that the Kansas Constitution protects the right to abortion as a fundamental right. And so what the court did today is it reaffirmed that right by applying that standard in a case from 2015 and also a case that the center brought back in 2011.
Kansas has become an oasis for women's reproductive rights. Colorado is the only state surrounding Kansas where abortion remains legal.
It's heartbreaking to us that we do receive regularly referrals from other states where patients should have access care close to home, where there was a medical need, potentially an emergency situation, and instead of getting care where they should have received it, they're referred to a state like Kansas because there's access.
The Kansas Supreme Court ruled in 2019 that abortion is constitutionally protected as a form of personal autonomy.
Nearly every year, we see the state legislature passing more and more abortion restrictions. But we know that's not what the public wants.
Kansas voters rejected a constitutional amendment that would have made abortion illegal in the state 2 years ago. Missouri voters may get a chance to weigh in on the issue later this year at the polls. In Overland Park, I'm Todd Palmer, KSHB 41 News.